Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. So today I'm here in the city of Henderson. We're going to be touring this modern home by Lennar. This home is located right here on the hillside on the east side of the city of Henderson. This right here is the Andora, is the next gen model. And a lot of you guys do like that next gen model. This one features 4,281 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths with that next gen. So we're gonna dive right into it. We're gonna see exactly what's going on. The average lot size here is gonna be around 8,000 square feet with a 3-car garage. Love the fact that you got a bunch of pop outs here. And I love the garage, how you have that side frosted glass to bring in a lot of light. Love the veneer stack stone. You got 3 different exteriors to choose from. Now in this one, it looks like they may have some solar here. It looks like nice. Solars are actually ran up into the walls, which is really nice. But then take a look at this pop out. You do have that flat roof too as well, and you have a beautiful balcony. We're going to come back over here. Now the way that Lennar is working right now, they have so much buyers at this point. People are actually bidding on the lot. Now I'm talking about 30, 40, even $50,000. I love this iron door here. It's not as sturdy or heavy duty. Okay, here's your front door to take you into the next gen or the casita. You got the concrete stucco sprayed on very heavily, okay? Home does come with the ring doorbell and also the Yale front lock here. Let me shut this door here. There we go. Take you all the way back. Let's take a look at this. Very huge island. You do have the option to change the colors of the cabinets. Okay, but I want to show you this monogram stove. Look at this monogram stove right here. This thing is gorgeous, isn't it? What a 6 burner. Well, I mean, look at it, the burner itself. Dude, this is like top notch. I don't even want to use this if I bought this. Here's your griddle right here, and your pot filler. Nice. Island very huge. Is this your little ice maker? Monogram again. Dishwasher. Monogram. Welcome to Monogram. Your undermounted sink. This is like your level 7 for the quartz countertop. And I love this refrigerator. Look how huge this built-in refrigerator is. I guarantee these homes are going to go for about $1.2 million by the time it's done. Surprising they didn't have a double stack. Here's your convection. So it looks like you do have a 12-inch depth on this 42 upper cabinets with this 3-inch crown, and they also did another 24-inch depth too as well in this one to really bring that contrast and that depth of field, which is really nice. Beautiful light rail underneath, and I do love the stone. However, definitely the wrong type of stone for this backsplash, that's for sure. Now Lennar, you do get a bunch of stuff, but I can tell you this chandelier right here will not be included. If you guys want more information regarding HOAs, right, give us a call. Also, you got to buy the lot too as well. There is a lot premium. If you want to get on the waiting list, I'm going to show you how to get on this waiting list. I'm going to show you how to get the opportunity to get a winning bid. That's right. Got a beautiful 12-foot slide that overlooks the pool. And view fencing now overlooks the city. We won't be able to get out there from here, okay, because it is locked for liability purposes. Let me just pan all the way around. You have a nice straight edge cornering with a 8-inch baseboards, skip trowel on the texture. We're going to head down this way here. 8-foot ceilings, 10-foot ceilings. Public restroom. Love the floating vanity here, 36 inches high. 6-panel door. They are not insulated. Coming into here, this is going to be your next gen suite. So what I like about this is that you have your door here. Your mother, your father, or your kids will live on this side of the house. So they do have their private entry here from the courtyard, or your third car garage. They'll have access to the main living room, and this is a very large living room. Okay, very large. Beautiful quartz countertops. You have full overlay cabinets. These are just standard shakers. Soft closing, undermounted sink. Looks like you have an upgraded Moen faucet. And typically with the next gen, the convection microwave included, and also the refrigerator typically is included. These are GE packaged appliances. Really nice. They did a really good job on this one. I don't know if I'm feeling this color green though. Storage underneath the staircase of the main house. Wow. Definitely can play hide and go seek under here, that's for sure. Okay. The flooring typically is all post tension slab. According to some inspectors and county inspectors, the tension is 3,500 psi, pounds per square inch. So if you're going to drill a safe, please be careful. I would highly recommend that you don't do it. Got standard rocker switches. Now, coming into the main living. So it looks like they turned this one into a office. And I love the fact that you do have a door that takes you to the outside too as well. This is actually true living right here. 2 homes in one, for sure. These guys are doing up the pool right now. And take a look at this. What I do like about this, you do have your closet and your double stack washer and dryer. This is the gas, which is really nice. A couple things they have added here. You have the Smurf tube and also your cable outlet, but not a Cat 6. Transfer grill above. Two-car garage. Back to the front, we're going to go upstairs. You have a 48-inch staircasing. Takes you right up to a landing. Let me show you what this looks like here. And we're going to go up some more stairs. So we head upstairs. We have a beautiful loft. We have 9-foot ceilings. Look at that view, huh? Wow. All right, we're going to go back here. Laundry room. Typically washer and dryer included, but depending on the track with Lennar, you got the Petrofina standard sink. Blinds, okay. 48 inches on the smart panel box here. Now, as far as like top notch, as far as like material wise, I don't think they really use like super top grade, but you get your money's worth, if that makes sense. They do use radiant barrier, which is great. Insulation, R13 in the walls. and R30 inside the attic. Sometimes they do use the blown-in insulation as well. Got your attic access right here. Alright. Turn on the light here. Getting the Petrophenia. And tub shower combo. I love this tub shower combo right here. This fiberglass one piece. I do love this. I think this is American something on this product here. Okay. I'm going to come down this way here. Another bedroom. Wow. Look. This is like a very small bed right here. This is smaller than a twin-size bed. But it's funny how they use this backboard to make this home or this room a lot bigger than it really is. Okay. So if you did a queen-size bed, the only way that you could put a queen-size bed is the main wall would have been here, right? Your bed here. You can't put it here because it covers the windows. I don't like that floor plan for that bedroom. Now let's come into the suite here. Now this is a pretty large, this is a queen-size bed. Love the fact that you have this window here overlooking the valley for this bedroom. We got the porcelain tile. Again, the tub shower combo. Fiberglass. And Moen fixtures. See what kind of valves they got here. Looks like they got the, you just turn it to the right, the standard valves for the supply lines. I personally love the push, but you gotta watch out for those. You can literally push it in too far and really ruin it. Alright, let's go this way here. Alright. Alright, we're gonna go this way here. Alright, so we're gonna go into the main living, okay, or the main master. Well, why am I saying main master? There's only one master. But I do love how large, this is king cow on the bed size. Ooh, this is huge. And the balcony goes all the way through. This is gorgeous. Thermostat right here, coming through the French doors. Let's take a look at this bathroom now. Well, this bathroom is gorgeous. Floating vanity, you got some extra storage. Fiberglass tub. Get the rainfall shower head. Take a look at this closet. Gorgeous, right? Gorgeous. I mean, look at all this storage. And then you got your water closet. Let's go out to the loft area. Let's see what we got. This is a very large loft. You got a 12-foot slide. And this balcony runs all the way across. Look at this. This slide is just a regular vinyl slide. There's a strip there, folks. We're in the city of Henderson. Coming down here on this side, we got the master. One thing that I don't like is you put another house here, everybody's is like coming out here to look, I would probably have something covered here so that way nobody can see. Get more, a little bit more privacy, you know what I'm saying? It's just like, look, you can see down there. But wow, take a look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? Beautiful. Breathtaking. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this property. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up too as well. Definitely love the opportunity to earn your business. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.